Hi, my name's Jamira. I will be showing you how to distress denim and make it look awesome and super genre appropriate. So here I've just got a sample of some pants that I destroyed for game actually. A good place to start is gloves. Gloves, huge safety factor for getting all the paint and also because you use a knife and a lighter, it kind of keeps your fingers safe. So good place to start is you take a knife with a serrated edge and you kind of pick up your material and you just drag the blade down it. And it'll fringe the material, it'll give it a nice aged look. It'll also add holes to the fabric as well. Just gotta make sure you watch out and you don't clip your fingers in the process. Good places to do this is around the hems of the pants, where the seams are, knees, closer to the bottom, your pockets. It'll actually look more realistic and show what actual tears look like. Also, going in different directions does help because then gives it holes coming from different areas instead of one straight direction. Alright, so there we've got a piece of, just looks a little more aged, a little more worn out. You can also take a lighter, blowtorch, any kind of fire source, and take it to the material. Sometimes it's better to do this part outside depending on the type of material you're using, because synthetic stuff makes some really nasty smoke that's not good for you. In doing this, it'll kind of give it a burnt look. And also sometimes if you let the flame go a little more, it'll actually catch the pant on fire and cause some nice little burn holes. Kinda just like that. A little more to make it a little more obvious. You can go over and do that on different parts of the pant and it'll give it a nice stained look. Also, you can use talcum powder, baby powder, to add some white spots. There's also something called Fuller's Earth that works really well. Avoid using flour, because flour will actually mold and then it makes your clothes smell gross and it's not pleasant. So you take something like a clear coat, a spray glue, something of that nature. Make sure you also do this outside, because indoors, if you don't have proper ventilation, cause some serious respiratory problems. So you just spray some on. Start with the baby powder. Dab it on, kind of just pat it out, rub it in. It'll give you a nice powdered finish. And then you go back with the spray and kind of go over it again to seal it. If you want a darker color, you can go back with more baby powder. And just make sure you give it a nice, like, one finish coat, just so that if you put it through the wash, the distressing actually stays there. Something you can also use to add some dirt stain, some rough, is using the same material you use for the baby powder, and then take some dirt from outside, any kind of debris, and then you just kind of rub it on where you just put it, rub it into the clothes. And then it'll give you a nice dirt spot. And then you just go back over with the spray again, just kind of seal it all in. And now you've got some nice dirt stains. It is the apocalypse, so of course something else we will have is blood. So you can also take some fake blood. Just kind of drip some on your hands, mix it in, and just kind of clump the pants in spots. So that way you don't have a giant bloody spot anywhere. And then yeah, just adding all these techniques. You can mix in spray paints. I've got some white spray paint. You can use black, browns, any color, and you just kind of do some light spots. And it will give you a dusty, worn out, the pants are getting stripped. So yeah, that's pretty much the basics for distressing denim.